guys, and welcome to the trading journal here in Gbpusd. I have a Facebook page also. It's called Forex Farm. You can go to Facebook and just like the page. You will see different stuff in there, updates, signals that alerts that I might put in there to buy or sell, or maybe, I don't know, maybe one day I'll put in some of my levels in there for pound USD or euro USD or any currency pair that I do. We'll have a market analysis, and we'll have Fibonacci points that are very, very strong, and price actually reacts to it, to those levels. Here what you see, it's a pound USD chart, a 1 hour chart. I trade 1 hour charts and 4 hour charts. So you sometimes will see 1 hour and sometimes 4 hour charts. I will let you know which chart I'm trading. So this one is a pound USD 1 hour chart. Okay, I'm going to give you a quick example of what I do. Right here, this trade I took, I deleted everything that I have. So it would be a plain chart. Let's delete this too. This is how my charts are with the levels on it. So this is basically what I do every day. I go in and I check what I have, to trade with. So right here I have, let's go here and say we started this day right here in this candle, right? This candle is July 2nd at 4 a.m. So we're looking to see what we can do, right? So we see that we have this level right here, 1.382, which was broken right here. It tried here to break it, but it couldn't. So it happened right here. So let's see what we can do about it. It will probably come and retest it. Depends on the non-farm payroll, which will occur July the 3rd. You already know what happened. So this is what you could have done. This is what I did. So I took this point, and like we said, this was in July 2nd at 4 a.m. So you take this point, which is a low, right? It's a swing low. So you take this swing low, and you take this swing low also, and you put them together. You put a trend line, right? Let's put a trend line right here. This is how I use my trend line, guys. I think it's a demarc trend line or something like that. When I was taught this method, it was basically just a trend line in supply and demand points. So you call it however you want. The thing is that you must have it right. So this point and this point right here, right? This was at 7 a.m. So the market gives you this two lows. You put a trend line and you wait to see what happens whenever the price breaks your trend line. Let's see what happens. Oh, oops, I deleted it. I'm sorry. Let's put it again. Here we go. Okay, so the market came up. This was at 9. Came down, came up, down, down, up, up. Okay, here it broke our trend line. This happened at, wow, this was at what, 3? This was at 3 p.m. Price broke down July the 2nd, and it broke my trend line. So once it breaks your trend line, you enter. Let's say we entered, the trend line was 171.47. So let's say we entered there. For this strategy, I use a 30 pip stop loss. So that's what you're going to be using. So 30 pips from 171.47 is 171.77. So we put a line. Let's put a line real quick right here in 177. 177. And it's right there. Now you can see it. Okay. Here's another one of my points that I use for, the Fibonacci that I use. So it break right here, right guys? So we have our stop loss right there. Let's see what happened. Price broke and it tried to, go up. It tried to go up. Don't move your stop loss. Leave it there. I mean, when you entered the trade, you decided you were for this strategy that you're going to risk 30 pips. That's it. Risk it. Don't move it. I know what I'm telling you guys. Don't move your stop loss. Leave it there. If you lost 30 pips, you lost 30 pips. You wait for another swing low and you do your trend line and you buy more on the upside, a better price. So the reason I'm saying that is look what happened right here. You see, nothing had happened. Price touched the trend line. But look what happened on July the 3rd. Price started to go down, to go down, to go down, go down, and all of a sudden it went to my point right here at 3 also. 3 to 3, 24 hours. And we made around 35, 36 pips, which is really good. 35, 36 pips. That's awesome for a non-farm payroll day that some people don't even trade that day. So, this is a really good method that I use. I just wanted to shoot this quick video to show you guys, how I do it. I usually have some lines for take profit that I calculate. Let me show you guys right now. I'm not going to show the calculations, but I'm going to show you guys the line so you can see where you can take profit with this. And then just, we can discuss afterwards, how it's done. But for right now, I want you to see those levels to see where you can take profit if you just want to take profit there. Let me pause this video. Okay guys, here are the points. I calculated them. As you can see, price when it broke, look at this. It touched that point and came back up. Do you see the power of this stuff? It touched and then it couldn't make it, so it went right up. Then it was broken, and then it was broken all the way down. Actually, this was the point, there was actually in the calculations one of the points, which is one of the levels, it's sitting on that 1.382, and then all the way down. Of course, it didn't make it to this point, but this shows you the power of this stuff. We're going to be discussing all of this, and you can ask any question you want and put some of your own ideas to it. So I hope to talk to you guys, and I hope you find this stuff good, for your trading. Okay, see you guys around.